Hello, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be doing my completion review of this diamond painting. Here's the original image. Um, it's called Purple Rose. I got it from Radiant Round DIY for $18. It's a 40 by 50 poured glue canvas with rhinestone drills, and which had DMCs, which is strange for rhinestone drills. There were 26 colors in all, and this took me 6 days to complete. And my main comments were some of the symbols were hard to read, which were mainly because they were black. All the symbols were black, regardless of how dark the background color was. And then I also ran out of 310, and then I had to contact them to get extras. And then they did send me extras, but then I ran out of the extras. So I still needed like 100 more probably. And so what I ended up doing instead of contacting them again is I went and got my other diamond painting I got from Radiant Round, and I used the extras from that. Hoping that maybe that they actually sent extras, because all the other colors other than 310 I had plenty extras, so I'm hoping even if, yeah, my other one I won't run out of it. But yeah, I did record a clip of the diamond painting to show you how much I actually ran out. So I'll put that in right now. So the diamond painting isn't finished yet. This is just a quick update on what happened. Not sure if you'll be able to tell, but I kind of ran out of these black drills. I actually think I ran out of a lot. Like, look, this whole section here is completely diamond painting. I ran out when I got to this section here. Can you see? And then all the rest of the black is still not filled. But yeah, I actually went ahead and finished as much as I can before contacting the seller, just so that, you know, I would just contact them once in case I ran out of anything else. But everything else was fine. So I did contact them and they did send it to me. So I did get it right now. So I'm hoping that I'll be able to finish this today, because I mean, it's just going to be a bunch of color blocking black, right? So I'm hoping they sent me enough, because it didn't seem like there's that much in here. Okay. So yeah. Ordinarily, I would just get my 310s from my stash, but since these are rhinestones, these are like completely different 310s. Like you can see, although they are not rhinestoney, they're what's it called? They look similar to ordinary drills, except they have a flat top. But since I don't have any of this in my stash, I did ask for them. So I'm hoping this will be enough. It actually looks like a lot. So yep. I'll bring you back to the completion review, and you can see how it looks when it's done. So hopefully I did put it in, and if I didn't, oh well, I must have forgot. But okay, so here it is. Yay, it's finished. It's beautiful. Like, I think this is the type of picture that translates well as a rhinestone diamond painting, just because it is a stained glass picture. And I think rhinestones kind of match stained glass more than, you know, just an ordinary picture. So yeah, I think this turned out really beautiful. If it was not for the missing 310s or completely lack of 310s that they didn't give me, this was the most I have ever like had, like where I ran out of drills. Usually if I run out of drills, it's like maybe like less than 100, but this was like a lot. If you saw in what's it called, the clip. But yeah, they sent me more 310s. This thing was full and I still ran out. So obviously the original amount of 310s that were sent with the diamond painting canvas was not even anywhere near close what I was supposed to get. So yeah, but other than that, all my other drills, I had plenty. Like, I did not run out. there is still a lot of leftover drills. I was not in any way like afraid I was gonna run out of drills. Um, so yeah, other than me getting a completely not enough 310, and you did need a lot of 310 for this. It's this, all this right here is 310, and what's it called? These were special 310s too, because they're rhinestone 310s, and so yeah, I don't know what happened, but yeah, this one actually, for a rhinestone kit, I actually think there was very little trash. I don't normally show my trash, but if you've ever worked on any like special drill like mandalas and stuff like that, they tend to have a lot of trash in there, and like, so I anticipate lots of trash in a rhinestone kit. But this one, no trash, not barely any trash, and this just shows that I really did throw away any, like, I didn't, like, the reason I ran out of 310s was not because I was throwing away like half of them. No, there was nothing really to throw away. So yeah, now I'm just going to cut this out and put this in my portfolio book. I would ordinarily probably frame this and put it up somewhere. I'm just like lacking frames right now. So for now, I'm just gonna put it in my portfolio book, and I will frame it. Maybe this is more of like a Valentine's Day picture, so I might put this up like during Valentine's Day next year. I don't know. Or if I find a place to put it, I'll take it out of my portfolio book and frame it. But for now, it's just gonna go in my portfolio book. So I'm just gonna cut this out, and I'm using brand new scissors that a viewer commented. I believe it was Susan who commented and told me that I should try the scissors from Costco, and I just happened to see that they were on sale, so I went and bought them. Because if you watched, I don't remember which diamond painting it was where my scissors kind of fell apart during the video, so trying out these fancy titanium scissors. It was actually not that expensive. It was like, when it was on sale, it was 3 for $6.99, I think. Okay. So they are brand new scissors, so when scissors are brand new, they do cut very well. So I'll find out if this is good like a couple months from now, if it's still like really sharp cutting. Okay. So, I've gotten comments recently saying that I say a lot of, I guess I say like a lot, and then I think I got another comment saying that I say what's it called all the time. And I have in the past tried to stop myself from saying what I call verbal tics. I'm wondering if they're more nervous tics. I'm not a big public speaker, so I use these, I guess, as transitions. Or I think I also speak really quickly, so sometimes I speak faster than I think. So I think I need to start speaking slower so that I don't add what is, I guess, considered filler words, which, you know, like, and I just said, you know, that's probably another filler word I say. There's another filler word. But, I mean, I'm not like broadcasting on like network television or something where I have to be crazy professional. So, I mean, I guess videos, it is kind of a broadcast, so maybe I should be a little bit more professional, but I feel like this is not the type of channel where I have to be crazy professional in my speech patterns. A lot of what I do is just, you know, this is a fun hobby kind of thing. So trying to, I guess, stop my normal speech. I mean, during work, I don't think I say like and stuff that much, but this is supposed to be fun, so I feel like I'm talking to, I guess, my friends or something, and when you're talking to your friends, you talk differently to them than you are in like a business setting or a work setting. So I never meant for this channel to be me being a business in any way. So yeah, so I have not been, I guess, filtering my overuse um, of, I guess, my verbal tics. But I will try. If people people think I am saying the word all the time or like all the time, which, you know, I think I blame that I grew up in California in the 90s, so the whole, I guess, Valley Girl thing was a thing. I mean, it was more of a Southern California thing, and I'm from San Francisco area instead of Southern California, but there is some overlap in there. So I just cut out the legend and I'm putting it on in my journal just so that in case I ever need to go back to it. But, you know, these are rhinestones, so it might be a little harder for me to have a stash of it. I'm still trying to figure out how I'm going to kit down these since they are rhinestones. They do have DMCs, so I'm pondering whether to just add it to the rest of my drills or keep it where I keep my special drills, which is in a different area. So I'm still trying to determine that. Okay, so we'll see. We'll see what I end up doing. I probably will just like figure something out last minute and then just do that, and then that will be it. And then if I don't like it, then I'll just change how I'm organizing my leftover drills. So yeah, there is my souvenir, I guess. Wait, why am I putting away my double-sided tape? I'm going to go put this on some black paper. This is just 2 sheets of, it's 2 sheets of construction paper that is 12 by 18, and I'm going to be putting it on a 18 by 24 inch portfolio book. Okay, the problem with cutting canvas that's white, you can kind of sometimes see the white phrase at the edge. And I don't seal my diamond paintings unless they're going to be framed out in the air without any, I don't know, like, see, I just said the word like, but without any glass protection. So, but this is going to be in a portfolio book with sheet cover protection, I guess. So, should I put 3 or 4? I probably just need 3. Let's just put 4. So yeah, I'm just putting double-sided tape in the back so that I could attach it to my backing paper. But man, like, just looking at cutting this and on top of black, I could totally see where my cuts were not completely straight, but as long as it's being covered by the drills and it's not obvious, I'm okay with that. Okay, let me make sure these are all okay. So now, so even though I do put the construction paper together, I don't think you could see it that it's not that noticeable. So now I'm just eyeballing this. So I recently did the Mian picture where I swear I put the diamond painting straight on the edges and it wasn't straight on the up and down. So now yeah, no, this one looks fine. It's not like, it doesn't look like my Mian one where it was weirdly warped. Warped. Is warped a word? I meant warped. Okay. Let me just get this backing paper out here. Okay. I've actually been tempted to buy a 16 by 20 portfolio book, since I do a lot of these 40 by 50s, but I was counting the pages in my 18 by 24 portfolio book, and I still have so many pages, and you don't finish 40 by 50s that quickly. So it's gonna still take me a good while to finish filling up my 18 by 24 inch art portfolio. So I was like, okay, no, I'm just gonna do this 18 by 24 inch art portfolio. I feel like it's more adaptable to both sizes than just having a 16 by 21. So, and plus these black backings, the 12 by 18, it's just convenient that putting two of them together without cutting it works. So, okay, I'm getting my heavy art portfolio. Okay, is it on backwards? No, it looks correct. Okay. So yeah, here's my last one that I put in here. So now I'm putting in another flower. Okay, I think I'm gonna have to. Oh my god, it's so heavy. Okay. Am I gonna be able to do this on camera? Okay. But yeah, the portfolio book is massive. It's hanging off the side of my table right now, just so that I could put this in here. Okay. There it is, in my art portfolio. So, alright. Thank you for watching, and happy diamond painting. Bye! Oops. The camera was so high up I couldn't